Hello, my name is Kerry Spencer, attorney at the Law Center for Social Security Rights in Southfield, Michigan. Today I'd like to talk to you about people that will be present at your Social Security hearing. The first person is the judge. The judge is called an ALJ, or Administrative Law Judge. ALJs are lawyers who work for Social Security. Unlike other judges who work in courtrooms, ALJs do not hear criminal matters or other matters not within the power of Social Security. There is no jury at an ALJ hearing. That means the outcome of the hearing is entirely up to the judge. The judge's job is to issue an independent decision which is not influenced by the fact that your case was denied at the initial level. The informal Social Security hearing is not an adversarial hearing. That is, there's no lawyer on the other side who's going to cross-examine you. Judges usually do not cross-examine a claimant. The judge is neither the adversary nor the opponent. The judge's job is to fact-find. The other person who will be at the hearing is called a hearing monitor. This person is the person who brings you and the lawyer into the hearing. They will also be typing at a computer to taking notes for the judge. The lawyer will be with you and will typically be sitting right next to you. The lawyer will gather evidence and argue your case. The lawyer will make closing arguments and generally acts as your advocate at the hearing. There will also be a vocational expert, or a VE. A VE is a job expert. Both the ALJ and the attorney ask the VE a series of questions called hypotheticals. The first hypothetical, usually asked by the ALJ, is whether someone with the documented impairments could still do their old job. If the VE thinks that one can do their past work, the judge will deny your case. If the VE testifies that you can no longer do your past work, the ALJ and the attorney will then ask the VE more hypothetical questions to see if one can do any other jobs. The attorney is allowed to ask the VE follow-up questions after the ALJ has finished asking questions to rule out jobs. This is a very important part of your hearing, the cross-examination of the VE and asking questions that will successfully rule out all the jobs the VE say you can do. The last person at the hearing is a medical expert. This is rare, but sometimes the ALJ will call upon one to testify, to evaluate medical records and explain the details of one's medical conditions. The medical expert is not a treating doctor or the physician of record. It is a third party with no interest or connection to the claim. Like I say, medical experts are not commonly used at Social Security hearings. Thank you for watching today. I hope you have a better understanding of the people that will be present at your hearing. If you're a Michigan resident and are considering filing a Social Security disability or SSI claim, or you have filed and been denied and wish to discuss your claim with an attorney, please feel free to call the Law Center for a free consultation or request one of our free informational brochures.